Well, I just stopped here to do an experiment with the fuel tank in my ute, and heard all these beautiful birds. So I just needed to capture that gorgeousness. And then I found this really pretty flower. So beautiful. Oops. And it's not the best perspective that I've seen so far to show like the vastness of and the endlessness of the country, and also the beauty, you know, like for example this purple plant here that's most likely a weed, but I don't care because it's beautiful, is everywhere. Like it lines the roads, it often lines the freight track. It's gorgeous. And yeah, so I would have liked to have taken a video of that, but I tend to try and get behind big trucks for protection. So once I'm on a run, a roll, or should I say, with a truck or even any other vehicle, I tend to stay behind even if there's something that I'd like to stop for. There it is. A beautiful peace and quiet. That gorgeous, gorgeous silence. Except for all the flies buzzing. It's a bit of a mood wrecker sometimes.